They say there are places that once seen are never forgotten. Today, we've found one. Welcome to a sanctuary where every corner is a masterpiece of light and color. We are exploring Hana Plus, a hidden gem where the air is thick with the scent of 1,000 roses. It's that fleeting, perfect time of year when every perennial is reaching for the sun and the garden is practically glowing. Look at the way these climbing roses frame the path. The high contrast whites and deep pinks create a natural tunnel that feels like walking straight into a fairy tale. Everything here is designed with intention. It's all in the details, the rustic textures of weathered wood against the delicate softness of a petal. These small, intentional touches are what transform a simple nursery into a cinematic experience. It's pure cottagecore inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just someone looking for a moment of peace, there is something about this abundance that resets the soul. It's a reminder of what happens when we let nature take the lead. As we take one last look at this floral paradise, I hope these colors stay with you. If this tour inspired you to bring a bit more beauty into your world, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cinematic escapes.